So we were actually founded to put compilers on graphics processors. I was originally a video game developer.
Oh.
And I could see that graphics processors were becoming incredibly powerful, and you could maybe use them for other things or more complicated things. So we were actually the first people to put C and C++ onto a graphics processor about, what, 18 years ago now? And I assumed that it was for video games. I assumed that everyone would want to be able to use this stuff to do more interesting things in video games. But actually, one of our earliest users actually did stuff for machine vision. He did eye tracking. And they did this 3D display that would track your eyes, and so you could see in 3D as you move your eyes around. I didn't spot that that was the main use for these things, but over the years, people would occasionally do little AI things with that. Gosh, that's surprising about it.
Very important nowadays. Well, I'll let you get started. So please,
okay,
let's welcome Andrew.
Thank you. So this talk is going to be about how you build inference engines, maybe even some training stuff as well. And there are a lot of different options about how you were to build software to do all sorts of artificial intelligence and machine vision, like the previous talk was all about SLAM, using some, maybe I shouldn't say traditional machine vision techniques, but it doesn't use deep learning for those techniques. But we do find that people integrate all of these different technologies together. And there are a bewildering array of options for how you build these systems. I'm going to focus much more on how to build your own systems, but I'm still going to show some of the options about how you build the systems and what things are out there. But our background as a company is compiler tools, so I'm going to focus a bit more on that.